beneath the sunbeam. In Mallacoota's mild winter grace, they dance and dive in their ocean space. Swim with the dolphins under the sky, in the sea where they meet high. Mallacoota's winter mild and clear brings the magic of nature near. Through emerald waves they gracefully swing. In the sea's vast cradle they fish and lead. Winter's sun casts a golden glow on the waters where the cool breezes blow. Swim with the dolphins under the sky, in the sea where they meet high. Mallacoota's winter mild and clear brings the magic of nature near. The tranquil sea holds stories untold of playful spirits, both young and old. Beneath the surface a world unfolds, where the dance of the dolphins never grows old. Swim with the dolphins under the sky, in the sea where they meet high. Mallacoota's winter mild and clear brings the magic of nature near. Now we part with a song so sweet. La-di-da-do, our tales come complete. Mallacoota's charm so wild and free, a haven where all souls long to be. Swimming with the dolphins under the sky, in the sea where they meet high. Mallacoota's winter mild and clear brings the magic of nature near. Beneath the sun where the clear waters flow, the dolphins' ballet is the star of the show. Mallacoota's charm so wild and free, a haven where all souls long to be. Come witness the beauty, come feel the breeze. In Victoria's best by the tranquil seas, where dolphins play and the spirits soar. In Mallacoota we always long for more. Swim with the dolphins under the sky, in the sea where they meet high. Mallacoota's winter mild and clear brings the magic of nature near. And now we part with a song so sweet. La-di-da-do, our tales complete. In the heart of Mallacoota we sing and play, the dolphins leading the way each day. And now we part with a song so sweet. La-di-da-do, our tales complete. Look for the dolphins under the sky, in the sea where they meet high. Mallacoota's winter mild and clear brings the magic of nature near. Our tales complete. The dolphins under the sky, in the sea where they meet high. Mallacoota's winter mild and clear brings the magic of nature near.